Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Sunco 3-pack 2x2 LED flat panel light, designed for versatile lighting needs. These panels feature selectable color temperatures of 2700K, 3500K, and 5000K to match any room's ambiance perfectly. You can also choose from 3 brightness levels, 30W, 35W, or 40W, allowing you to customize your space's illumination. The slim, lightweight design makes installation quick and easy, replacing outdated fluorescent tubes with efficient, integrated LEDs. These lights are dimmable with a 0 to 10 volt system, giving you complete control over brightness. Ideal for kitchens, offices, schools, and retail spaces, they provide flicker-free, buzzing-free light for better focus and comfort. Plus, Sunco backs this product with a 7-year warranty and expert support for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.